Hello everyone, this is Kundan from kundanstech.com. Today I'll be showing you how to protect a USB with a password. The first question is, why should we protect a USB with a password? And the answer is, you may have confidential files or folders on your USB drive which you don't want others to view. So in order to protect other people or other person from viewing your files and folder on a USB drive, you need to protect it by using a password. The manual way by which you can protect files on a USB drive is by putting password on each type of file. For example, if you are using Microsoft programs like Word, Excel or PowerPoint, you can protect it with a password. But if you are storing pictures or movies, and if you want to protect it, then you need to store those pictures and those movies in a folder at first and lock the folder, so it takes a lot of time. So the better way is to use a program which will protect the whole USB by putting a password. And there are different programs which you can use to put a password on a USB drive. Some of the programs you need to install it on the system, whereas some of the programs you can directly copy on a USB drive and run from it. Now if you want programs which has to be installed in a system, then there may be a problem. Like if you are a guest user in a computer, then you may not have sufficient privilege to install the software in the system. So instead of that one, the easiest thing will be to use a program which you can directly copy on a USB drive and run from it. In this example, I am using a program called USB Safeguard. With this one, you can protect the USB. So what you need to do is, I have already downloaded and copied it on the USB drive, and there are two versions for this USB Safeguard program. One is a free version which you can use to protect a USB up to 2 GB, whereas the professional version, which you can buy for around 19 euros, you can use it to protect the USB of any size. So let me double click on this USB Safeguard and run it. So as I can see, when I clicked it, I can see this big icon and there is a text box where you need to put the password. First time when you copy this program on the USB drive and run, then you will get two boxes. One is password and the other box will be confirm password. What you need to do is, you need to put the password and reconfirm it. Then you will be asked whether you want to store that password on a computer, on your home PC, so that if you forget, then you can retrieve from your home PC. If you want, you can click on yes to save the password on your system. As I have already put the password and confirm it, I will not be getting two boxes. I just have one box with where I can put the password, which I have already put for protecting the USB. Let me put the password. I put the password which I had already used to protect this USB drive. Then I will click on OK. Now I'll get a box. In this box, I can drag the files or folders from this USB drive to lock it. I can see that there are already 3 files which I had protected on this USB drive. Let me just drag one more file. The important thing to remember here is, you need to copy the files from your system to the USB drive in order to protect the files on the USB drive. So let me drag this one Excel file. Okay, do you want to add to the encrypted image? Yes. Okay, now you'll get three options. These options have different security level. Some of them are more secure and some of them are about average secure. The third one is more secure, but it takes longer time for encryption. The second one is okay for us. Let me click on OK. Now I already put this one here. If I want another more, I can just select any one. For example, let me okay, let me put this folder to the USB drive at first. Let me put this one. Let me copy this one at first. I will copy this one and I will paste on this USB drive. Then let me drag this one. Okay. Okay. Then I can close it. Then I click OK. I'll close this whole thing. Now as you can see, I already dragged that one and I cannot see that folders. It's already locked inside this USB drive. So if you want to unlock more files which are there on the USB drive, you can just click on it and you can put the password. So these are the folders which are already locked in the USB drive. If you want some more, so for example I want this one, I'll just drag inside the box. Okay, I click on OK. That's all. Now the website is already gone from here and it's locked inside this USB drive. That's it. That's how you can use this USB safeguard to protect the files and folders in the USB drive. Now if you want the files to be visible, just click on this USB safeguard, put the password. Okay, now if you want these files to be visible by others, then just click on it and click on decrypt. Okay, now you can see the folder is already outside the USB drive. This is how you can decrypt, or you can remove the file from this USB safeguard program and make it visible for others. So in this way you can use this program to protect the files or folders in a USB drive. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.